For anyone involved in automotive repair, having the right tools can make all the difference. The BETOOLL long reach hose clamp plier set is designed to provide the versatility and efficiency needed for handling various fuel, oil, and water hose clamps. This clamp plier set includes different pliers, each designed for specific tasks related to hose clamps. This set is made from high quality materials, ensuring durability and long lasting performance. The tools feature long reach and flexible wire, allowing you to access hard to reach clamps with ease. The design is particularly useful for working in tight spaces within your engine bay. Each plier in the set is equipped with ergonomic handles, providing a comfort grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. One of the standout features is the versatility of this set. The different pliers cover a wide range of applications from fuel lines to water hoses. This comprehensive set ensures that you'll have the right tool for every job, a valuable addition to your home automotive repair toolkit. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and ease of use. They provide a secure grip, allowing you to apply the necessary force without straining your hands. This is particularly important for long repair sessions, ensuring that you can work comfortably and effectively. Considering the quality and variety of tools included, this set offers excellent value for the price. It equips you with all the essential tools needed for handling hose clamps, making it a cost-effective solution for both DIY mechanics and professionals. Recapping some of the pros: versatile, 9 different pliers for various applications. They're durable, high-quality materials ensuring long-lasting performance. Long reach, flexible wire design for accessing tight spots. Ergonomic handles, comfortable grip for extended use, and great value, comprehensive set at an affordable price.